Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. So that's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to tap on this new project and now you have to import the video you want to add slow-mo on. Let's say this is the video and now tap on this add. Now select the video and find the volume button right here and set the volume to 0. So drag the slider all the way to the left. After that, you want to find the speed button and click on it. Select normal right here and set the value to 0.3 like I am doing here. The next step is to copy this video. So find a copy button and click on it. Then select the second video and scroll down until you find the overlay button and put the second video right below the first one and align them. The next step is very important. You have to turn the second video by 0.1 second. So make sure second video is 0.1 second shorter than the first one and then align the two videos perfectly. After you do that, click on the blend button right here, set the value on 30. Now click OK. And now when I play the video now, it will have a super smooth slow motion effect. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.